Hello everyone, my name is Janvi Kothari. My ID is 21DC048. So today I and my friend ID number 38 will be presenting our project on machine learning, namely audio classifier. So basically first we'll start with what is machine learning. So machine learning means to train a model in such a way that it can imitate as human brain. We use data and algorithms to train the model. It is used to make our day-to-day lives easier. So starting with our project of audio classifier, so the contents which we'll be going through in this project, in this presentation will be as introduction, dataset, implementation, technology to be used and analysis. So we'll start with the introduction. So this model is used to detect caption cells in between audio. So now what is the caption cells? So caption cell is audio of African monkey and we use that to detect availability of African monkeys in particular region. Suppose if there is a big area and we want to differentiate that which are the African monkeys and which are the rest breed one monkeys. So we can use this model and it will classify them and differentiate them on basis of their voice, and we have used these voices in our data set. So now moving towards the data set. So in this we have a set of audio files which contains hundreds of caption cells. So we have hundreds of audios of caption cells, and using that we can train our model to be more perfect and precise. So audio file is convertible in waveforms, and from the waves we can calculate the wavelength and amplitude using this, and we can analyze the caption cells, and by this it will identify that by the sound it will identify about the African monk. So now my friend ID number 38 will be continuing this further, and he'll be explaining the implementation and other softwares and hardware requirements and all. So handing over to him.
Hello, my name is Gautam Kachi and my ID number is 21DC038. Now I am explaining the implementation of the dataset. Implementation. First of all, we need to install dependency TensorFlow. Then build a data loading function and define path of files. Then plot a wave of audio and define the average length of caption cells. Build a pre-processing functional convert into the spectrogram. Create training and testing partitions. Build a model to and train a model using test data and make a prediction on a single clip. Build a forest partitioning function and make a prediction and export the result. Technology to be is Python, Jupyter Notebook, and TensorFlow as a software requirement and laptop as a hardware requirement. Now talking about the analysis further. Model can predict the low frequency caption cells and high frequency caption cells. It accurate about 84%. Model can give us the caption cells in audio using we analyze the problem. We are importing number of caption cells with the audio file number with CSV file. This was all about the explanation of project. Now we will be proceeding to the real model implementation. Now we will see the implementation. First step is import and install dependency. Then build a data loading function, define path to files, build data loading function and plot the wave of audio. Thereafter, create a TensorFlow dataset, define path to positive and negative data, create a TensorFlow dataset, add labels and combine positive and negative samples. Then determine the average length of caption cells, calculate the wave cycle length, calculate mean, max, and build pre-processing function to convert a spectrogram. Build a pre-processing function, test our function and visualize the spectrogram. Then create a partition of testing and training dataset. Then after 7 step is build our deep learning model using training dataset. Then after 8 make a prediction on a single clip. Then after we will go to further. Build forest parsing function, load up MP3s, multiple MP3s files, build function to convert clip into window spectrogram, then make prediction using our model, then export the result. This result is exporting in Excel files, like recording 1 hour files, recording 10 hour 23 files. So like this we have a hundred of records. So you can analyze the data using this. This is our whole project. Thank you very much.